You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Polish expression meaning cheers or bless you. How do you say cheers when you are sharing a glass of wine or beer or vodka in Poland? Polish pronunciation Na zdrowie, na zdrowie. Cheers in Polish is pronounced as Na zdrowie, also meaning for health. Na zdrowie, to your health. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.